Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a text plus image post to LinkedIn. This is a great way to share updates, insights, or promotional content with your professional network in a visually engaging format. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll notice a section near the top that says Start a Post. This is your gateway to sharing content with your connections. Click on it to begin creating your new post. A text box will appear where you can craft your message. Go ahead and input the text you want to share with your audience. This could be an update about your work, a thought-provoking question, or any professional content you'd like to communicate. Take your time to write something meaningful that resonates with your network. Once your message is ready, look at the bottom of the post creation box. You'll see several icons representing different types of content you can add. Click on the image icon. This allows you to enhance your text post with a visual element, making it more likely to catch people's attention as they scroll through their feed. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your device. Select the image you want to upload and confirm your choice. The image will start uploading to your post. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this might take a moment, so be patient while it processes. After the image has been uploaded successfully, you'll notice an option labeled Alt at the bottom of the image. Click on it. This feature allows you to add alternative text, which is important for accessibility, helping visually impaired users understand what the image depicts. In the text field that appears, input a brief description of your image. This should clearly explain what the image shows. Once you've entered the alt text, click Add to confirm it. Then click Next to proceed to the final step. Now you're ready to share your post with your network. Simply click the Post button. Your text and image combination will now be published to your LinkedIn feed, visible to your connections and followers. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a text plus image post on LinkedIn, combining written content with visual appeal to maximize engagement. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.